Let me show you how this single $10 tool just replaced $5,000 worth of AI subscriptions. This is ChatLLM from Abacus AI. It gives you full access to GPT 4.1, Claude 4, Grok 4, O3 Pro, and many more. So in this video, I'll show you how it works and give you some real examples. But before we continue, kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. Like and share this video and ensure you turn on the notification. Also, check out the link in the description below for other AI tools that creators like you are using. Now let's dive in. ChatLLM is a simple AI tool that helps you talk with smart models, create pictures and videos, improve your writing to sound more natural, write and edit code. You can use all the top AIs, like Grok 4, Claude 4, Gemini 2.5, Mistral O3, and GPT 4.1, all together in one place. Another way this AI tool helps you is that it chooses the best AI for you depending on what you write. Let me also let you know that you can create pictures by using the best image makers. With ChatLLM, you can make videos using the best video makers, like VEO3 and Seedance. This AI tool gives you the opportunity to use O3 Pro, which is one of the smartest robots around. ChatLLM allows you to write like a real person, and it won't look like a robot wrote it. You can also create talking avatars that move their mouths like real people.
Hey, I'm not just a pretty face. I can talk too. Watch my lips. Banana, pineapple, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. See?
Finally, you also get a really smart code editor named CodeLLM that helps you write code. So you see, you can get all of this for just $10 a month and cancel those heavy monthly subscription. It's the best AI deal. Before I leave you, let me remind you to quickly subscribe to my channel. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification in order to be the first to receive our videos when we make them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.